Imagine a world where your weight changes every hour. A world where running might suddenly become impossible. Where jumping too high could send you soaring into the air. Astronomers call it GJ486X, an unusual rocky planet orbiting a dim orange star nearly 60 light-years from Earth. At first glance, it appears Earth-like. It has mountains, oceans, clouds, and an atmosphere capable of supporting human life. But hidden beneath its surface lies a strange secret. The planet's dense metallic core does not rotate smoothly. Instead, powerful tidal forces from a nearby moon cause the core to shift rhythmically. As it moves, the planet's gravitational field changes. Every hour, for any future settlers, survival would require adapting to a force most humans take for granted: gravity itself. The first settlers arrive during a low-gravity period. Their descent feels surprisingly gentle. Every step sends them slightly farther than expected. Tools feel lighter. Equipment becomes easier to move. For a brief moment, life appears easier than on Earth. But experienced crews know the calm will not last. In less than 60 minutes, the first gravity surge will arrive. Without warning, everyone feels it. Their bodies become heavier. Walking requires more effort. Breathing feels different. Cargo containers that were easy to move suddenly weigh twice as much. Construction robots slow down. Some smaller drones are forced to land immediately. The entire colony pauses, waiting, adjusting, enduring. Then, as quickly as it arrived, the surge passes. The planet relaxes once more, and life continues. Over generations, humans begin to change. Stronger bones become common. Muscles grow denser. Children learn to anticipate gravity cycles from an early age. Schools teach gravity awareness alongside mathematics and language. Personal devices constantly monitor local gravitational conditions. Every resident knows exactly when the next shift is coming. Cities look very different from those on Earth. Buildings remain low and wide. Flexible support structures absorb constant stress. Roads include safety rails everywhere. Public transportation automatically adjusts for changing conditions. Elevators become one of the most important technologies ever invented. Entire districts synchronize activity around gravity schedules. Native organisms evolved over millions of years. Some creatures possess multiple limbs for stability. Others can anchor themselves directly into the ground. Many plants grow broad, low structures instead of tall trunks. Forests appear more like carpets than trees. Every species reflects the planet's strange rhythm, a constant dance between heaviness and freedom. Travel becomes surprisingly efficient. During low-gravity periods, aircraft consume far less fuel. Cargo launches occur during carefully planned windows. Some cities even use enormous gravity-assisted jump systems. Passengers travel kilometers through the air with minimal energy. The changing environment becomes a resource rather than a problem. Ordinary activities require planning. Exercise routines vary throughout the day. Work schedules align with gravity forecasts. Sports become spectacular. Athletes train for both heavy and light conditions. Entire cultural traditions emerge around the gravity cycle. It shapes every aspect of civilization. But danger remains. Unexpected fluctuations occasionally occur. A severe gravity spike can damage infrastructure. Vehicles may crash. Equipment may fail. Emergency shelters exist throughout every settlement. Preparedness becomes second nature. Because on this world, gravity is never fully predictable. Could humanity survive such a planet? Probably. Humans have adapted to deserts, mountains, frozen wastelands, and the vacuum of space itself. Given enough time, we would likely adapt here too, learning to live with a force that changes every hour, a world where every step feels different, a world where gravity itself is alive. And as the colony settles beneath the alien stars, another gravity shift begins. The planet breathes once more, and humanity adapts again.